Okay, so we just saw how we get the rating curve table in here, and as I mentioned before, the macro, the Visual Basic, is going to loop through each of our gauges that we have pasted in here, refresh the rating table, and copy it over to here if appropriate. Similar thing is going on for the real-time gauges, which are also the same type of web table from the USGS website, except that instead of doing each one separately, bam, 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 we're going to get all of them at once. So you can see that this web page that I had queried before, I got data for 7 locations. So this one's going to be faster. It's just one web query, whereas the rating curves, there's a separate web query for each rating curve, so that can take a little bit longer. So for each of these gauge numbers that I want to get at, that I get from here, I build that into the web query and get the previous 1 day of data. So I get the previous day for this site, the previous day for this site. And then there are basically kind of equations and lookups in the macro that will then say what's my most recent reading for stage and or discharge, and then it will copy that into this USGS real-time tab. So that's what's going on with the real-time gauge updates from USGS. Pretty similar to the rating curves. Next, I'll actually talk a little bit more about the Visual Basic.